Good morning, everybody. I wanted to give a quick show of our morning chores here, feeding all the animals. Everybody's out and about, so it doesn't take long, but I wanted everybody to see, what's manageable with a full-time job and a homestead / farm, and what you can do for yourself. So let's get started. These guys are ready for breakfast. Every morning they greet me at the door, and then we go and feed them. We've had a visitor recently. We've named him Tiger. He's come around in the past, but he's back again. Musketeer, the big orange cat, and Tiger do not get along, so we'll see how this morning goes. It's nothing super violent, but there's a lot of hissing and swatting. We'll see if he's here today. Is he here? Yep, I can hear the hissing. Can everybody behave, please? This is Tiger. What's up, buddy? Yeah, you stop. Stop being protective of the food. Everybody gets to eat. Everybody gets to eat. Next we feed our little chickens. These guys are growing up. We got them from Tractor Supply. They're about to graduate and go out with the rest of the flock. Yeah, you guys can say hello. What's that? Is that interesting? Is that interesting? There you go. Eat up, guys. Don't walk in it. Eat it. No? Too much distraction? Okay, I'll take it away. Enjoy your breakfast. As soon as I take the camera out of there, everybody starts eating. They just didn't like the distraction. Next, we'll check on our piglets. They're getting big and doing well. They're a little skittish still. They all just took off. But they'll come. They'll come once they figure out that I'm just in there to say hi. Come on, guys. Open up your gate here. Gonna have to put this down. You guys want to come say hi? Don't hide in the woods. Let's check your food. Yeah, got some food in there still. This is my older feeder, so you got to kind of reach in and rake it out for them. But they're about to graduate from this and go to the big commercial feeder, because in the back it gets all wet and nasty. We'll eat it, but they prefer the dry stuff. Let's check the other side. This is just something I built a couple years ago out of a old blue barrel and some junk wood. Look at all that good food. Oh yeah. Come on, piggies. Where you at? I've been spreading sawdust in here to keep the mud down. Well, I guess to join up with the mud. Just makes good dirt. But we've had a ton of rain lately, and the pigs have definitely turned that into mud. 2 bales of straw in there so far. They got it nice down into, nice little bed. Where you guys at? Come say hello. See them moving down there. Come on, pigs, it's okay. No? Alright, let's check your water. Yeah, we got some logs shoved in front of the water. That's not going to make it easy to drink. Let's go ahead and move that. Oop, spook somebody. There they are. There's my herd of piglets. Come on, guys. Come say hi. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna move another log here. See how you like that? Yeah. How's your water doing? Pretty good. Day or two left in there. Nice little wallow you're making. So these guys have only been here a couple weeks so far. By the time they're 3-4 months old, I'm going to be their best friend. When I bring food or when I come to visit, it's going to be even a little problematic. They're going to be so interested in me. What's up, guys? Last chance. Nope. All right. So like I said, Jasper's been getting a little... Oh, look. Kronk has some buddies come join him for breakfast. Don't let them eat all your food, man. That's for you. Yeah. You're going to get fed in a minute. These chickens don't belong out here. Escapees. So Kronk was getting too fat, as he does every year, on the fresh spring grass, all the high sugar. So my farrier recommended that I get a dry lot for him. So what I did was I fenced off a small area here, let him create his own dry lot. The downside is that's grass I can't have the cows eat, but it's a small space. And if it's going to improve the health of the donkey, well then, it's a no-brainer. You want to come say hi, Jasper? Want to come say hi? Come on, buddy. Want some hay? You can see that he's eating up what he's interested in eating in here, and the rest of it is stuff he doesn't want to eat, so he'll just stay there. But he likes hay. There you go, man. Cow down. Good stuff. He's a good boy. He'll be happier once I get out of this fence business. We've been building a lot of fencing. You can see these posts. That's going to become his new dry lot. Give him a little more room to walk around. It'll allow him to get back behind his shelter there. And that should improve his mood significantly. Although he's a good boy. He's not that salty. I exaggerate. He's losing his winter coat. Soon he'll look sleek. Once more unto the breach. I'm bringing you water, Jasper. What you think about that, buddy? Still eating your hay. Soon I'm gonna have cows all throughout here. Mow this down. Turn it into beef. Yeah, good stuff, huh? All right, buddy. Make it a good day. Next we feed Kronk. He's probably ready for breakfast. There he is. What's up, buddy? You ready for breakfast? Come on. This way. Yeah. Let's eat. Can we see that there? Yeah, there we go. Come on, buddy. Let's eat our breakfast. Yeah. He eats like a pig. All right, man. Enjoy. What's Jasper doing? I'll take him some hay too. I have him in a kind of a small pen over there because he's getting too fat on this fresh grass. Need to slim him up a little. It's working. He's getting thinner, but he's also salty. He doesn't like being in there. Soon he'll get reign of everything else again. You can see more of my fence project. A lot of mistakes have been made, a lot of lessons learned, but basically building it entirely myself with the exception of the post pounding. And I think it's going pretty well. It's going to hold cows. I'm going to move the cows into it today maybe. Just got one more wire to run on the long run. That goes all the way around the back of the pasture there and ends over there on the other side of those bushes. That's a long pull, but once it's done, I'll continue ripping out Jasper's old fence, that old wooden fence that's falling apart, and then everybody will be contained and able to graze. Get Jasper some water. These hydrants installed throughout the property have been a huge lifesaver. Otherwise it would have been carrying buckets much farther, hundreds of feet of hose. So take the time, get it done. It's definitely the way to go. And the last morning chores to feed the chickens and the ducks. Want to say hi, Musketeer? No. He's like, no, I don't. He is a chunky cat. Alright. We'll do the ducks first. And throw Kronk back his balls. He pushes them all out throughout the day and we throw them back in there. Keeps him occupied since he doesn't have any other piggies in there. Where my ducks at? There they are. Come on, ducks. It's breakfast time. Come on. You guys ready? Eat up. Come on. Should be 3 of you. Yeah, there you go. And there's BrokeWing. Woo, there we go. See his wing poking out to the side? He's our mascot. BrokeWing the Muscovy. What's up, buddy? All my other Muscovies flew away, except for this guy, because he can't fly. But he's a good protector, at least of these two. Alright, I'll stop interrupting breakfast. Onward to the chickens. See what the cows are doing. What's up, guys? I'll be out a little later to move you to a new paddock. Yeah, what's up? You want to say hi? No? You just want to stare at me? Alright, keep doing your thing. See what the chickens are doing. Our meat chicks arrive here in a couple weeks. Then I'll move these chicken tractors up to the pasture. Fix the tarp on that one. The winter was not kind. And start making meat birds. You don't belong out here. Let's go. You guys ready for breakfast? We got a rooster. His name is Mr. Rooster. And he's okay. I mean, as roosters go. But he has tried to attack the bucket. So I throw some feed out here to distract everybody. And then I go in there just to avoid having to make rooster stew, essentially. Because I like him. He's a cool looking guy. Aren't you? Yeah. So while they're distracted, we'll go fill their trough. If anyone's considering chicken waterers, don't get this one. This thing is a pain. It's got a little neoprene or like a rubber gasket around the lid. Even with like Vaseline for lubricant, that thing is a pain to get on and off. Just not great. So many better waterers out there. But I keep using it because I bought it. What's up? Only one chicken over here, huh? Everybody else will be in a minute. Yeah, enjoy. This is Growly, named because she growls instead of making other chicken noises.